What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have another product from Kuxiu. I actually have been using a Kuxiu magnetic iPad stand for my iPad Pro M2, and yeah, I also have another Kuxiu product which I use with my iPad Pro M1. So I have two other different Kuxiu magnetic iPad stands, but this time it's a bit different. This one is a foldable magnetic mount for iPad. Usually I have this habit, if I buy a product from a brand and I feel that I'm super satisfied, then I will go ahead and check that what other products does that brand have, or whether there is any new product that the brand has released or not. So yeah, when I have noticed that Kuxiu has released this foldable magnetic mount for iPad, I didn't waste a second. I have just ordered one because I wanted to know whether this one offers any value for money or whether this one actually adds any convenience to my life or not. After I have used this one for almost a month now, I can say without any hesitation that yeah, I didn't waste my money and this one actually offers a very good value for money. This one costs less than $100. I had to pay $99.99. To some people it may feel like wow, $99.99, but if you really want to get something premium, if you want to add a lot of convenience to your life, then I think this Kuxiu foldable magnetic mount for iPad is the one that you are looking for. There are three reasons why do I like this one so much, and I'm gonna talk about those after we do a quick unboxing. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Let's start from unboxing. Well, this one comes in a very nice packaging, and on the package you can see there are some pictures which shows different type of use case scenarios. This one comes with horizontal vertical mount adjustment, and this one actually comes with 4 angle adjustment joints like 45 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and a 360 degree gimbal. Also this one comes with premium quality very strong N52 magnets, so definitely this one offers protection and peace of mind. You can buy this Kuxiu foldable magnetic mount for iPad in 2 different colors. I have chosen the space gray color, but you can also select the silver colored one if you want. Well, after opening the box, the first thing you will notice is this Kuxiu foldable magnetic mount for iPad. There are 2 different editions for 2 different sizes. You can select the one that you use, like whether you are using a 12.9-inch iPad or an 11-inch iPad. As I am using an 11-inch iPad, I have selected this 11-inch edition. Well, inside the box there is nothing but these foldable magnetic stands. So yeah, let's put the box away and let's check how good is the build quality. Here is the thing that you will get inside the box. As I have mentioned earlier, this one comes with a 360 degree gimbal. You can adjust it in any angle that you require. It's really nice. It's very easy. There are actually 1, 2, 3 arms and there are 4 joints which can be adjusted in different angles. Yeah, you will need to put a little bit of a force because Kuxiu wanted to make sure that this one doesn't move by itself, so the joints are actually very sturdy and the whole thing is made with high-hard aluminum alloy. So definitely this one comes with sturdy build quality. I must say it's a flagship class premium foldable magnetic mount for iPad. Yeah, as this one is a mount, not a stand, this one comes with a clamp. And yeah, you can use this clamp to mount this one on any kind of desktop or any surface or any table which is up to 5 cm thick. Let me show you how to use this one. Here you can see this is our desk where we always shoot our videos. Let's mount it on this desk. Well, what you have to do is to unscrew the clamp. Just rotate anti-clockwise and it will open up. Once it's opened up, just put it on your desk. As this clamp comes with rubbers, yeah, there are 2 rubber pads. One is on the top and one is at the bottom. So definitely there won't be any damage or scratches on your furniture. Just place it like this and then screw the clamp. You need to tighten it, but don't over tighten it because then you are gonna damage your furniture. Just tighten it as much as it goes. Don't push too much. Look at this. So it's very easy to use. Super smooth. Very smooth, very easy, and well, this magnetic mount is equipped with 62 magnets in 6 different places. All of these magnets are very strong N52 magnets. So you can rely on this that your iPad is gonna be safe on this magnetic mount. Now let's put the iPad on this magnetic mount. Well, sometimes some of us uses protective cases on our iPad, because this one is actually a spec'd out version of iPad Pro M2 11-inch edition. So yeah, definitely I want more protection for this one. I was worried that when I'm using a protective case on my iPad, can I actually use this one? Look at this. Yeah, the magnets are really very strong. You need to push hard to take it off. The magnets are really so strong that you don't even have to align it. Just put the iPad in front of it and your iPad will get aligned automatically, because all the magnets will get aligned, and then your iPad is truly safe and secure on this one. Now I can use my iPad in any way I want. Actually, let me tell you one secret. I have been using one of these over here on the opposite where I sit. I always need to check the data of smartphones when I'm doing smartphone review videos. So my iPad actually is stuck over there on another Kuxiu X36 magnetic mount for iPad, and this one is the second one. I'm gonna use this one in my home because I already have one in my studio. At the beginning, I have mentioned that I'm gonna share 3 things with you. Why do I like this Kuxiu magnetic mount for iPad? The first thing is this one is a foldable thing. When we are not using, we just can fold it. Just take off your iPad, fold it, and it's not gonna take a lot of space on the desk or table where you are working or where we do record our videos, because most of the time one of these is over there. And the second thing is this one is built with premium materials. Some people may find it a bit difficult to open and close, but think about it. If this one was very easy to move around, then it wouldn't be able to carry your iPad, because iPad also have a weight. So to carry the weight of iPad, they had to make it a bit sturdy. These joints have to get locked on their position when I place it on my desired position. If these don't get locked, then this one would drop down. So this locking mechanism gives me peace of mind and makes it easy to use. Number 3. The magnets. The magnets are really very strong. They have used N52 magnets. There is nothing better than these out there in the market. And you know what? They have added a very nice rubber pad on this stand where the iPad gets connected. So even if you are not using any protective case on your iPad won't get damaged. There won't be any scratches. It's easy to use. Look at this. If my iPad has a bare back, and if there wasn't any rubber pad on this, then definitely my iPad would get hurt. There would be some scratches, and sometimes some brands uses some cheap silicone rubber pads which gets broken after a few months. But this brand Kuxiu, they always uses something premium, nice, flagship class. It's neither too soft nor too hard. This one has its own flexibility and also offers great convenience. Well, if you have missed my other review videos on this brand Kuxiu, I've been using this iPad magnetic stand for my iPad Pro M2, and even after using this for a few months, I've been using this one like every day. This one is a part of my daily life. Look at this. Nothing happened. It seems like this is a new product. Kuxiu always uses premium materials and premium magnets, so I can depend on this brand. Well, if you are looking for a foldable magnetic mount for your iPad, then I think you should check this one. This Kuxiu foldable magnetic mount for iPad is one of the best that I have ever used. And as I've been using many other Kuxiu products, I can vouch for them. Especially they offers a very good after-sales service and very good customer support. Actually, you wouldn't need any customer support because these products comes with a build quality which will actually be usable for lifetime, because most of the Kuxiu products are made with aluminum alloy and premium quality magnets. As I am really impressed by this Kuxiu foldable iPad magnetic mount, I have contacted Kuxiu and managed to get a discount code for the viewers and subscribers of this channel. I have left a link in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the link. And yeah, one more thing I've mentioned earlier. If you have found this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content and enjoy premium products.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do.